Hey and welcome again to the tutorial of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will learn about an important command in GitHub, which is stash. What is stash and what does it do? So for example, if I'm working on that document readme tree, for example, and the software engineer lead, or for example the client want to see something, or want to have for example the readme tree file to see it. Let's just say that I work in a company and I'm a developer, and software programming lead want me to give him this file readme tree, and I'm still working on it. For example, let's say that let's just creating of something yeah. So now if I want to commit that, for example, let's just say git status, we will see that it tells us that the readme tree has been updated. But what if I want I want to give him that readme tree, but with the old version, not with this update? And here comes the role of this command git stash. So let's try it. Git stash, we hit enter, and it tells us that it's saved work directly, and we see that the thing that we added, it's disappeared. So now if we do the git status, it tells us that everything is work clean and fine. So now everything work clean. I will give this file readme tree to the software engineer lead. But now I want to continue my work, so I will need to continue what I was doing here in the code. So first, let's see if we have some stash in the git, and to do that we will use the command git stash -- list. We hit enter, lists, I think. Yeah, without dash, and it tells us that there is a stash, so it's committed after merge. So now if we want to receive what it was in update, we write command git stash pop. We committed, and as we see, the thing that we didn't commit, it come back, or the thing that we stash or pause to give it, so that we can give the file to the other program or to the lead, it's now back again. So now we can continue working, but it tells us that the readme file tree has been modified, so we will commit it. Git commit -em, let's say commit after stash. We'll hit enter. Now let's check if everything work fine with git status. Hit enter. Yeah, everything worked fine. So this is all for this video. See you soon.